Hello everybody, this is my Connect set. I'll be doing these more in the future and might be able to do time lapses and live streams if I have the time to do so and if I have the equipment to do so. And other than that, just watch my showcase of the Connect set. There won't be any audio because it's quite noisy. Oh my god. And it will be worse for you to hear any sound. Anyways, my sister's in the shot as well, so, and she doesn't mind either, so I guess that's fine. Honestly, I think Connects are better than Legos since they're cheap and they're very flexible pieces. Like you can do a lot of things with them. Well, Legos can do that too, but they're more universal, if you know what I mean.